We are live with today's questions. Let's see what we are having. We have simplification questions and quadratic equations. We have approximations, and we see missing number series, wrong number series, some blood relation questions, and we also see total reasoning part. Here we see syllogisms, inequalities, coding and decoding, blood relations, alphanumeric series. These are the things we are going to start and we are going to practice today. Let's get started with as usual we start our session with speed maths. Let's start with the speed maths. Here no time limit, it will be 1. Avi Anna explain cheyandi Anna. We will explain. First we practice our speed maths. ఈరోజు సెషన్ గట్టిగానే ఉందిగా. ఎస్, టోటల్లీ ఐ బ్రింగ్ ఆల్ ద సింగిల్ అటెంప్ట్ questions. In afternoon session we are going to see arithmetic questions. If possible I will bring a data interpretation also. 3 2 times 6 and 3 plus 2 5 and 1. This will be 11. Next one. Okay. First of all, please do like the session. There are 4 people watching. This will be 3. Next one. This will be 5. 4 means 16. 40. 101 square. So it is 1 more than 100. So we get 102 and 1 square, which will be 01. So answer will be 10201. Next one. 25 plus 15, which will be 40. Here 22. 206. 52. Sorry, 48. Wait a second, I will share this video to other groups. Let me share this one. From where we share? From this live. We are sharing this live in our Telegram channel. Okay, let's get started with our questions. Okay, 400. Okay, next one. 13 to 500. 13 to 50, which will be 1500. 105 square, it is 5 more than 100, so it will be 110 and 5 square 25. So answer will be 11025. Here we have, if we add 9 we reach to 100. 9 plus 62, which will be 71. This will be 264. 23 into 50 times. 23 times 25 times will be 100. 100 means 1000. 15. 1015. Sorry, or else we do 100 divided by 2. 21150. Okay, 100 square. This will be 1 time and 275 wait a second, 9 times. This will be 48 5 times 240, 24 square, 576, 1400. It is 3 more than 100, so adding 3 we get 106 and 3 square 09. So answer will be 10609. Please do like the session. There are 6 people watching. Please do like the session. 34 into 25 times. Instead of 25 we write 100 divided by 4. So 4 8 times 32 and 5 times 00. So answer will be 8500. Sorry, it is 850. Okay. Next one, 9 2 times 18, 18 into 11, which will be 2 into 9 times, which will be 18 into 11 times, means sum of these two in between them 198, 55, 12. Okay, let's see this one. 0 0 cancels, we left with 37. This will be 11 times. First of all, please do like the session. After practicing some speed maths, we are going to see simplifications, approximations. Wait a second. Quadratic equations, missing number series, wrong number series, and in reasoning we are going to see syllogs, inequalities, coding, decoding, blood relations, alphanumeric series. These are the things we are going to see after this speed maths questions. So please watch till the end and practice with me. 53 square, it is 2809, and comment your answers also. 50 into 25, which will be 1250. 25 percentage of 192. 25% means divided by 4. 4 times will be 16, and 8 times will be 32. 13 times 196, 169, sorry. This will be 6 times. 0 0 cancel, and it will be 31 times. 106 square, it is 6 more than 100, so it will be 112 and 6 square, which will be 36. So answer will be 11236. Next one, instead of we see double zeros divided by 25, we can write this as 4 into 4, which will be 16. Next one, there are 10 people are watching. Please do comment your answer, and also please do like the session. 5 times 25 and 0, 250. 250 plus 30, which will be 280. Answer will be 280. Next one, 0 0 cancel. 2 4 times 20 and 7 times 35. Ratnadeep Chanda, hi. 20% of 290, it will be 58. First of all, we are practicing some speed math questions. Later, after this speed maths, we are going to see simplifications, approximations, quadratic equations, missing number series, wrong number series, and in reasoning we see syllogs, inequalities, and coding, decoding, blood relations, directions, and alphanumeric series. So please watch till the end. Here the number ends with 5 and talking about square, so the number after 12, which will be 13, we need to multiply these two. 12 13 times will be 156, and 5 square will be 25, so answer will be 15625. 41 square, 1681, 3 2 times 6 5 1, This will be 50. 48 2 times. 48 2 times, which will be 96. Next one, 31 into 9 times. 279. 279. 2 to 81. 9. 31. If we see any number multiplying, two digit number multiplying with 99, we subtract 1 from this one, we get 31, and subtract 32 from 100, we get the value which is 68. So answer will be 3168. Sorry. Sorry, it is 44. It will be 110. So the answers for a little bit more time. Okay. 59 square. For that I need to write the answer. 59 square will be 3481. Tarun Reddy, it is not 3401. It is 3481. 3481 is the answer for this one. 3481. Next one, divided by 4 times. 4, 6 times will be 24, and 6 times will be 24. Okay, the answer will be 66. Instead of 25, we write this as 100 divided by 4. 4 1 times and 4 times into 100, which will be 1400. Hi akka, బాగున్నావా? Hi Shamaka. So 1400 is our answer. Next one, Kiran King, welcome to the channel. అక్క నీ షార్ట్స్ వ్యూస్ ఎన్ని వచ్చాయి? 65 squares. It will be 76 times. 42 76 times, which will be 42. Okay akka, present in studies, please excuse me akka. Next one, 5 square, which will be 25. So 4225. Krishna Nedu Das, welcome. 4225. Next one, 116 minus 47. After practicing this, some speed math questions. After practicing these speed math questions, we are going to see simplifications, approximations, quadratic equation questions, and missing number series, wrong number series. And from reasoning, we see syllogisms, inequalities, syllogisms, inequalities, directions, coding and decoding, blood relations, and alphanumeric series questions. So please watch till the end. Answer for this one will be 69. 56 square, it is a 16, it is 6 more than 50. So adding a 6 to 25, we get 31, and 6 square, which will be 36. So answer will be 3136. 3136. 3 5 times, which will be 15, and sum of these two, 3 plus 5, which is 8, and unit digit is 1. So answer will be 1581. 1581. Please do like the session. 16 into 14 times. This is why we need to by heart 20 into 20 tables. Aditya, welcome to the channel. Please do like the session, and if you are new to my channel, please do like the session. Please do subscribe my channel. This is 224. Okay, next one, 2 1 times, 2 times, and 3 times. This will be 6 times 24 and 5 times. If we see any number multiplying with 99, we do minus 1, we get 39, and subtract 40 from 100, we get 60. So answer will be 3960. Next one, here we see the question of 50 into 50. Instead of 50, I write this as 100 divided by 2. 2 3 times and 2 times into 100. So answer will be 3200. 3200. So how much time it is happen? It takes 15 minutes. So we're going to practice 15 more minutes. 3 times 18, and sum of these two, which will be 9, and the units place 1. IBPS Clerk notification is out, I know. 1891. Next one, this is the number ending with 5 and talking about square. The next number of 6, which will be 7. 7 6 times 42, and 5 square 25. So answer will be 4225. This will be 70 times. Here sum of the units place is 10, and both the tens place are same. So the next number of 4, which will be 5. Multiplying these two, 5 4 times 20, and 7 3 times 21. So answer will be 2021. Actually, do you remember why we write 45 square value is the next number of 4, and at the last we take 5 square? 5 4 times 20 and 25. Why? Because here we see 45 square means nothing but 45 into 45. Sum of the units place is 10, and the tens place both are same. So that is why we taking the next number of 4. Okay, next question. This will be 5 4 times 20 and 21. 0 0 cancel. 2 6 times and 2 times 85 square. 85 square. Please do like the session. 7225. Right answer 7225. 165 square. So 16 into 17 times we need to find. 16 into 17 times will be 272. 272, and 5 square 25. Next one, 30% of 100, which will be 30. In few more minutes we are going to see simplification questions, approximation questions, and missing number series, wrong number series, quadratic equation questions, syllogisms, inequalities, తర్వాత inequalities and coding decoding, blood relation, alphanumeric series, and directions. So please do watch till the end. This will be 0 and 0 cancel. 5 7 times 5 1 times. So answer will be 71. 2 1 times 4 times and 7 times 94 square. బ్రో IBPS ఎగ్జామ్ స్ట్రాటజీ చెప్పు బ్రో, కాసేపు మోటివేట్గా ఉంటుంది మాకు. Actually my speaking skills are very low, so I'm not able to make a clear strategy, and I cannot able to speak clear strategy. It is 6 less than 100, so 88 and 6 square 36. So answer will be 8836. If you want the strategy, what I do is daily we practice the questions like this of quant and reasoning, and after the practicing these sessions After completing these sessions, I read daily current affairs, and I take some mock tests also. So these are the tasks I do repeatedly every day. This is the only strategy that I follow, nothing else. For the topics I need to learn sources for current affairs. I read from Adda 247, Gautam Sir and Seetal Sharma ma'am, and also from Smart Kida. These are the sources I use for the current affairs. Okay, the answer for this one will be 42, 21. Next one, 6 5 times 30 and 8 2 times 16. Prabhakar Pravali, welcome. Next one, it is 256, 20 times 75. 2 times will be 150. 150 plus 200, 350, and a 0. Nandini Ponraj, welcome to the channel. Here this answer will be 739. In this video we are going to see some speed math questions. After practicing the speed maths, we are going to see simplifications, approximations, quadratic equations, missing number series, wrong number series, syllogisms, inequalities, and coding and decoding, blood relations, directions, alphanumeric series. So watch till the end of this video and please do like the session. The answer for this one will be, instead of this one 25, or 8 this as 100 divided by 4. So 4 2 times and 4 times and 5 times a single 0. 2450, 245 a 0. Sorry, does I made any mistake? How to solve above 100 square numbers? Okay, we will see in this questions. It will come. So 25 4 times will be 100. 25 9 times 225. So 2350. 2350 is our answer. 2350. Instead of 00 divided by 50, we write into 2 times. 44 into 2 times, which will be 88. Someone asked about how to solve the squares above 100. Same as the squares that is near to 100. What we do is, if it is given that 106 square, it is 6 more than 100. So we add that 6. We get 112 and 6 square, which is 36. So 106 square value will be 11236. Okay. The answer for this one is 704. 2 digits into 99. So minus 1, 47. 100 minus 48, 52. So 4752 is our answer. 59 square, it is 9 more than 50. So if the squares near to 50, what we do is add that number to this 25. So we get 34 and 9 square, which is 81. So answer will be 3481. Next one, those who are new to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Is there any streaming slow or anything happen? 00 divided by 52 times 82. 82. Next one, it will be 45 and 54. 25 2 times, which will be 50. 9 times 225. So 2300 is our answer. 2300. 45 4 times. Is my streaming is okay? Is there any problem with the streaming? Please do comment. It will be 180. Is my streaming is okay to everyone? Is there any problem in the streaming and my voice? Hi Lalita, welcome. No, everything is fine. Okay, let's see this one. It will be 21078. 46 square. It is 4 less than 50. So subtracting 4 from 25, we get the value of 21, and 4 square, which will be 16. So answer will be 2116. 8% of 750. Here I see percentage single 0, 5 multiple and 2 multiple. 2 4 times, 5 15 times. Multiply these two, which will be 60. 5 4 times 20, 220. Next one, 55 square, 5 6 times 30, 25. Okay, how much time it is started? So we are going to see 3 more minutes for this speed maths. After this speed maths, after 3 more minutes, we are going to see simplifications, approximation questions, quadratic equations, missing number series, wrong number series, syllogisms, inequality, and coding, decoding, blood relations, and directions, alphanumeric series. So please do watch till the end. Answer for this one is 99. 185 square. So 18 into 19 times we need to find. 18 19 times will be 342. 342 and 5 square, 25. Please say big multiplications. So do you want big multiplications? Present in this application we don't see big applications if we are in level 10. Please download the app and you can place the level and practice the multiplications, two digit multiplications. I'm already teaching you 2-digit multiplications. Some questions will come after some level up. Okay, no worries, it will be very easy that you can calculate. This will be 525, but it is 2601. Prabhakar Pravalli. While practicing simplifications, you can see that 2-digit multiplications tricks. No worries about that. Is that okay? Next one, here it is if we add 5, we reach to 400, 400 and 300, which will be 4 here, 5, 300, 62. So 367 is our answer. Double zeros divided by 25 means 4 times. 12 4 times will be 48. So the session of speed maths is going to end in 10 seconds. Answer this one faster. This will be 3, 8, 9 and 9. 993. 993. The last question of this is speed maths. The last question of this is speed maths. Please try to solve this one. Last question of the speed maths. Two one eight. Ravant Nagesh, welcome to the channel. Please do like the session and subscribe my channel. 218. So now we are going to see simplifications. Where is the simplifications starting? I think this is the simplification starting. So let's get started with our questions of simplifications. If anyone are new to here, please do like the session and subscribe my channel. And please try to comment the answer for this one. I'm waiting. Here we see 16.66% means 1 by 6. 1 by 6 of 216, which will be 36. 15% of 620. So 62 will be 10% and 5% value will be 31. So 93 is the answer for this one. Here 40% of 240. So 24 into 4 times, which will be 96 minus 96. So taking 93 and 96, we left with minus 3. Minus 3 to 36, which will be 33. So answer is 33. Option D is our answer. Next, second question. Let me zoom some more. Okay, here we see 7 cube, which will be 343. 3 power 7. We know that 3 power 4, which will be 81, and we left with 3 cube. So 3 into 3 square. This will be 243 into 3 square, which will be 9. 9 3 times 27. 9 4 times 36. 38. 9 2 times 18. 2187. So we have 343 plus 2187 plus here we have 16 cube. Let's write this 16 as 2 power 4. So totally we have 2 power 4 3 times, which will be 12, divided by 2 power 24, and we can write this 4 power 6 as 2 power square. So 2 power 12 again. So totally on the top and denominator we have only 1. So we got the value of 1. So 343 plus 2187 plus 1. So what we have is 2187. 343 plus 1, which will be 344, and minus 3 power 5. 3 power 5 value, which will be 284. Subtracting 284. So 4 and 4 cancel, so we left with 7. Wait a second. Does I made any mistake? No one is answering here. Please do comment the answer for this one. What happened? 343. This will be 2197. We got the value of 1 here. 3 power 5, which will be 81 3 times. So 3 243. So subtracting 243, we get a unit digit of 8. So answer will be option A. Here we got unit digit 8. So answer will be option A. It is not C. Tarun Reddy. Does you feel this little difficult? Does anyone got the same answer? Option A. Check one more time. Is this question is mains level? No. It is for PO prelims level. It is for PO prelims level. Is anyone got the same answer? Please comment your answer. 2187. Okay, you talking about here. Okay, let's see the next question. Twelve percentage of 100, which will be 12 divided by 24, which will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equals to x divided by 32. So 16 will be answer. Option E is the answer. Revanth Nagesh, right answer. Next question. There are no comments, I see. There is only one person commented the answer for this one. What happened to the remaining people? What happened to the streaming? That my streaming is little slow in my computer where I am checking your comments. Okay. Next question. Let's see this one. 15 square, which will be 225, and 25 square, which will be 625, minus 361. So 10 minus 1, 9. 4 minus 6, 14 minus 6 means 8. 7 minus 3, 489. Here we have 3 divided by 10. 3, 16 times 3 times and a 0. So answer will be 1630. Option B is our answer. Right answer. What happened to the people that are not commenting? What happened to those people who are not commenting? Please do comment the answers. Next question. 16 square, which will be 256, and we have positive values, which is 1360 and 50, minus 24 square, which will be 576. So 006 and 6 cancels 0. We have 10, 16, 16 minus 7, which will be 9. So 5 minus 5, 0, 1090, and divided by 218. So it is 5 times. So answer will be 5 times. Option A is our answer. Is there any problem with the streaming? There are no comments, I see. There is only 2 people commenting the answer faster. Is there any problem with the questions? Next question. Is there any problem of visibility of the questions? 18 into 18, which will be 324, and 8 square, which will be 64. So 8, 8, 3, 3, 4 times, 8 4 times 32, and 48 means 6 times. So answer will be 46. Sorry, it is 32 and 68. 68 means 8 times will be 56.5. So answer will be 48.5. Lalita, please cross check the answer. Next one. And Kiran King, also check your answer. Option B is the right answer, 48.50. Next question. Here we see 44 percentage of 3500. So percentage and double zeros cancel. 44 into 35. 35 4 times, which will be 72 times. 140 into 11 times. 1540. So answer for this one will be 150. Here we have 23 square. 23 square value will be 529. So minus 529. And here this 13 comes this side with the plus. 51553 minus 529. So 4 here 2 1024. 1024 is a value of a square of 32. Option D is our answer. Next question. Let's see this one. 8 power x into 32 equals to 16 power 4 means let's write this as 16 into 16 cube, so it will be 2 times. Okay, 1024 whole power 1 by 5, so 2 power 10 whole power 1 by 5, so 2 power 5 we left with here 2 power 5. It 16 we can write this as 2 power 4 for 3 times, for 3 times which will be 12. So 1 2 cancels from here, so we left with 11 only. 2 power 11, 2 power 11 minus 5, 11 minus 5 we left with 6, 2 power 6, so we can write this 6 as 3 into 2. 2 cube value will be 8, 8 square, so question mark value will be 2. Option E is our answer. Okay, fine. Revanth Nagesh, bro, are you Telugu? Yes, I am Telugu person. I am from Vizianagaram, Andhra Pradesh. Let's see this question. Here we need to first do sum of these things, simplify these things. 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 8 25, 25 plus 4 29, 29 minus 5 24. Okay, next one is fractions. 3 by 14 plus 2 by 17, instead of 2 by 17 we write this as 4 by 14. Okay, plus we can write this as 7 by 14 plus 4 by 7. Here this minus 1 by 2 means 4 by 14. Okay, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 means we can write this as 7 by 14. So 7 by 14 is cancelled here. We left with 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 11 divided by 14, so we got 24, 11 by 14. Option D is our answer. Okay, Sanjay Kumar, welcome to the channel. Lucky, welcome. If you are new to my channel, please do like and share and subscribe my channel. Next question, see this one. New people, please do like the session. Here we see 8 power, totally 8 power 6 into 8 cube into 8 divided by 24 into 24 into 24, 8 3 times. Okay, we can write this 8 cube as 8 into 8 into 8, so 8 3 times 8 3 times, so totally what we left is 8 power 7 divided by 27. 27 and 27 cancels, we left with 8 power 7, so question mark value will be 7. Option C is our answer. Okay, next question. Wait a second. Now we are going to deal with the quadratic equations. Simplification questions are completed. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question, 9 means 3 times, minus and plus both the roots are in positive and the bases are not equal, so we are multiplying with the 3 times. Plus 9 and plus 9 are the roots for x. 3 18 times, which will be 54. 9 6 times will be 54. 9 6 times, difference between these two we get the value of 3. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the root signs. Now by comparing these two, it is very clear that x is greater than y. Who got the option of C and D? Maybe you don't see that the coefficients. X greater than y. Option A is our answer. Lalita, please cross check the question. Okay. Next question. Let's see this one. 8 15 times, so 120. 12 10 times will be 120. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Okay. Bases are not equal, so we need to multiply oppositely. Here we need to multiply this with 3. 12 3 times 36 and 30 are the roots of x. And for y, 3 14 times, which will be 42. 42 means 7 6 times. 7 6 times. Minus and plus means both the roots are positive. Bases are not equal, so we need to multiply this with the coefficient of x, which is 8. 7 8 times, which will be 56. 7 6 8 6 times 48. Now comparing 36 and 30 with 56 and 48 positive values, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Option D. Okay, option D is our answer. Next one. 1 second answer. 1 second answer. The answer for this one will be option E. Why? Because here we see minus and minus at the end, so we can say that the answer will be cannot be determined. And you need to remember this point also, if it is squares only. Sometimes the questions are given that x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0, and says that x cube minus something like 2x plus 2x square 2x minus 3 or like this, then it may be fails. Turn ready, cross check. The answer is E. Option E is the answer. Next question. Let's see this one. One eighty means 29 times is 180. Plus and plus means both the roots are negative. Here the second equation 30 300. 300 means 20 15 times, no, 25 12 times. 25 12 times is the roots. Plus and plus means both the roots are negative. Bases are not equal, so we need to multiply this with 2. We get the value of minus 24 and minus 50. By comparing these two, the smaller numbers are greater than the bigger numbers because of the sign. So x is greater than y. X is greater than y. Option A is our answer. Lucky says something that 25 and 12. Maybe previous one, I think. Okay, here we got that. See the signs of the question, plus and plus, and also see the coefficient. Mr. Lucky. Okay, then it is clear that x is greater than y. Okay, next question. Quadratic equation, single type questions. Here we see 4, so we are making this coefficient 4. How we do is multiplying this total equation with 2. We get 6x plus 4y equals to 56. Plus 4y and plus and minus cancel. We left with 3 5 times 15. So 2y equals to 15 28 minus 15, which will be 13. So y value will be 6.5. So x value is 5, y value is 6.5. Abhilash, hi bro, welcome to the channel. Option, Mr. Lucky, please do cross check your answer. Lalita, you also please cross check your answer. Option D is our answer. We got the x value which is 5 and y value which is 6.5. Okay, next question. Roots. We see, if we see root, then divide the 126 with that root number. 126 divided by 2, it will be 63. So we need to find the roots for 63 and we need to get a 16. 7 times is 63. Plus and plus means both the roots are in a positive. Plus and plus means both the roots are negative, and we need to write the root 2 here. So what we get is a minus 9 root 2 and minus 7 root 2 are the roots. Next one, second one also, 84 divided by 2, which will be 42. So we need to find the roots for 42. 7 6 times is 42, and the root 2's plus and plus means both the roots are negative. Okay, now by comparing these two, it is equal, and due to minus, x lesser than or equals to y is our answer. Option B is the answer. Next question. If anyone are new to my channel, please do like the session and subscribe my channel. Here we see 3 6 times 18. So 18 means 9 2 times is 18, plus and plus means both the roots are negative, and base are not equal, so oppositely multiplying with the coefficients 2, which will be minus 4 and 9 2 times minus 18. Second equation, 2 9 times 18, so 6 3 times will be 18. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the root signs. Bases are not equal, so when multiplying oppositely with 3, so it is minus 9 and 3 6 times plus 18. Okay, this minus 4 comes in between these two numbers, so the answer for this one will be option E, cannot be determined. I don't see any comments of yours. Please do comment the answer for these questions. Okay, option E. Next question. This question, see this one, here it is y, here it is x. First we are going to deal with x. 7 8 7 times minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. 7 7 times minus and plus both the roots are in positive, so it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. For those who are typing the option B, please do see that it is y and this is x. So answer will be option C. Please do see this one, x square and it is y square. Lalita, please cross check. Okay, option C is the right answer. Rahul, please cross check your answer. Next question. Root 3. So 63 divided by 3, which will be 21. So we need to find the factors for 21 and we need to get 20. And here we also see 4. So 21 4 times 84. 84 means 14 16 times will be 84, and sum of these two we get 20. So 14 root 3 and 6 root 3 are the roots. Root signs will be both are in positive. Wait a second, it is a single second, 1 second question, minus and plus. So x is greater than y is our answer. No need to find the root values. Here we have minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Minus and plus means both the roots are in negative. Comparing these two, x is greater than y. So option A is the answer for this question. Okay, Rahul. Next one. 2 into 90 times, which will be 180. 180 means 15 12 times will be 180, and sum of these two we get 27. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Okay, bases are not equal, so we are multiplying opposite coefficient, which is 3 36 and 15 3 times. 45 are the roots for x. Okay, next 3 into 28. We can write this 28 as 7 4 times, 7 12 times, 7 4 times, 14 6 times. We can write 14 6 times as our roots. So plus and minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. So bases are not equal, so we are multiplying with 2, we get these things. Now by comparing these two, it is very clear that x is greater than y. Option A is our answer. Option A is the answer. Okay, option A is right answer. Next question. Now we are reached to approximation questions. Approximation questions. Let's see these questions. 35% of 760. Percentage 5 multiple, 2 multiple, single 0. So 5 7 times 2 38 times, 7 8 times 56, 7 3 times 21 26. So answer for this one will be 266. 15% of 900. 59 times 135. Answer will be 131. Option E is our answer. Okay, Lalita, right answer. I don't see any comments. Please do comment. Okay, let's see the next question. (121) root of 676 means 26 minus 48. So here we have 147 minus 48 means 99. 99 equals to x divided by 4. 9 4 times will be 36 into 11 times 396. Option B is our answer. Okay, Rahul, 396 is right answer. Vemuluri Monica, welcome to the channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and also like the session. Next question. Here we see 284.99 means 285. This will be minus 165. So 120 plus 60, 180. 180 equals to 12x. 12 1 times and 15 times. Option A is the answer. Okay. Option A is the right answer. Next question. This one. Let's see this one. 14 square, which will be 196, and 10 square 100, so it will be 296 minus 12 square 144. 2 6, sorry, it is not 6, it is 5. 152. 276 times. Option B is the answer. Okay, Aditi Sharma, welcome to the channel. Please do like the session and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Next question. 462 and 25 8 times, which will be 200. Subtracting 200 from this one, we get 262. 262, and here we have 420 into 3 times. 60 1260 1260, and this goes other side with minus 262, and these are approximations. Approximately the answer will be 1000 asking about a question mark cube. So value will be 10 cube. Option B is our answer. Option B is our answer. Let's see next question. $195 divided by 15 into 289 means 17 plus 72. So this will be 1 times 45 means 13 times 13 into 17, which will be 221. 221 plus 72, which will be 293. Option B is the answer. 293. Option B is the answer. Okay, next question. $1512 divided by 35 plus 44. So first we need to do this one. Here I can see 7, I think 5 times, 2 times, 1 time, 6 times. So instead of 216, we can write this as 215. 4 times and 3 times plus 42. So we get 85 is our answer. Approximately 86. These are approximation questions, not a simplification questions. So answer will be option A, 86. Okay, next question. Let's see this one. Question mark percentage of 240. So 24 divided by 10 x plus 40 percentage of 250. Now it is 245. 40 percentage. Here we see 0 0 cancel and 40 percentage of 245. So 24.5 times into 4 times. 24 4 times will be 96. 96 plus 2, 98. So 98 is the value for this one. 98 goes other side with minus 98. So what we have is 8 and that will be 13 means 4. 48. 48 value is equals to 24 divided by 10x. So 24 2 times, answer will be 20. Option B is the answer. Okay. Aditi Sharma, right answer. Lalita, right answer. Next one. These are approximation questions. Don't go with the simplification. 30 into 10 percentage of 11, which will be 1.1 divided by 75. So instead of 11.11, we can write this as 1. So it means 30 divided by 75. 3 10 times 3 25 times plus 100 plus 10. 25 will be 250. 250 plus 10, 260. 260 by 25. 25 11 times will be 276. It is nearly approximate to 10. It is approximately to option D, 10. Okay. Tarun Reddy, what you talking about 40? It is 10. Okay. Next question. 45% of 597. Approximately we can take this as 600. 45 into 600 means 45 into 6 times, which will be 45 2 times will be 90. 93 times 270. Okay, here 60% of 800. 60% of 800 means 60 into 8, 480. 0 5 6 7 750 equals to 3 by 10 of x. 3 25 times, so answer will be 2500. Option E is our answer. Previous answer, no, the previous answer don't got any 40. Please cross check that one. We got approximately 10 in the previous one. Okay, the next question. Wait a second. I think we should do the missing number series questions. Try to solve this question. Let's see this question. Here we see 0.5, so it must be multiplications or divisions, not any differences. So 72 becomes 90 means 72 one times will be 72, and to get 90 we need 18. 18 is 0.4 times. No, it is 25 parts. 1 by 4 will be 18. So answer for this one will be multiplication of 1.25 with value of 90. Next one, here we see 90 becomes 60 means if we divide that with 1 we get 90, and if we divide that with half 90, which will be 30, subtracting that 30 we get 60. So it is divided by 1.5. So first one we multiplied with 1.25, second one we divided with 1.5. Okay, let me clearly say this one. Does anyone got the answer for this one? What the sequence we got is 72 into 1.5 times, which will be 90. Sorry, it is 1.25 times will be, and 90 into, sorry, it is a division of 1.5 times, which will be 60. 60 into 1.25, 60 plus half of 1/4 of 60, which will be 15. So 60 plus 15 will be 75. So the pattern we got is into 1.25 and minus division of 15. So here we see division of 1.5 into 125. The next one is the division of 1.5. So the answer must be 62.5 division of 1.5. 1.5 means we can write this as 3 by 2, 3 into 2. So we get 62.5 into 2. 62 into 2, which will be 123 plus 1, 124 divided by 3, 340. Wait a second, 1 times point 41 point something, so answer will be option D is our answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Let's see this question. 10, 13, 20, 33, 81. First 10 plus 3, 13 plus 7. The next difference is 13. These are prime numbers, and in between there is missing of a prime number of 5. Here missing of prime number of 11. So alternative prime numbers, I think. The next alternative prime number is 19. So adding a 19, we get 33 plus 19, which will be 52. The next alternate prime number will be 23, 29. So 29 to 52, we get 81. So answer will be 52. Option B is our answer. Next question. Let's see this one. 315. 3 becomes 40, means it is nearly 13 times. 13 5 times, 15 times will be 65. 13 3 times, which will be 39. 131, 195. So 1, and it will be 4096. So into 13 times will be 4096. So it will be into 13 times. And here we see 4095 into, we see unit digit is again 5. So it must be 4 becomes 69, means it must be 17. Let's take prime numbers. 17 5 times, 85. 17 9 times, 153 plus 8. So 161. So 6 here, 1 here. 17 1 4 times, 68 69. So we got 69615. It is into 17 times. So here we see prime numbers. So it must be multiplication of 19. Wait a second, it is not the multiplication of 19. Let's check this one. 15 becomes 15. So it is not 19. Here the difference between these two is 4. So the next difference of 4 is 21. 21 into 15, which will be, we can see unit digit of 15. So here the value must be into of 21. If you have time, please try to calculate 695,615 into 21. We will get the value of this 1461915. Okay. So if it is 21, then difference of 4, which will be 9, and difference of 4, which will be 5. 7 5 times, 35. 35 9 times, which will be 315. So answer will be 35. Option E, none of these is our answer. Can you please teach me how you are multiplying like this? Practicing daily, we can able to calculate or multiply each questions very faster. It will become faster because we get familiar with the numbers. Practicing daily will help you to get familiar with the numbers. If you are familiar with the numbers, you can multiply any numbers very faster. Okay. Okay, now we are moving with the next question. There are no one commenting the answer for the previous one. Okay, I need to learn this technique. Okay, practice daily. Get familiar with the numbers first. Here the difference between these two is 11. Here the difference between these two is 22. Difference between these two is 46 plus 20, 66. Here the difference between these two is 4 and 6, 264. So it is very clear that 11 2 times 22, 3 times 66, 4 times. So it must be into 1 times. 11 1 times will be 11. So the difference between the next number and this one will be 11. Sure, I'll do okay. So answer will be 653 plus 11, which will be 664. Option C is our answer. Next question. Does got the answer for this one? I don't see any comments of the people. I only see the Lalita says answer for this question, which is 664. Please do comment the answers. Next question. Here we see 44, 52, 59. So here the difference is 8, 7, 14, 20. What are the differences? Here the differences we don't need to, we not taking the differences here. What we need to take here is here the difference we see is 8. Here we see difference of 7. Here 14. Here 10. So do you observe this one? This 8 is nothing but sum of these two digits. Sorry sir for not commenting this answer, because I haven't practiced number series yet. I am a beginner. Okay, no worry, try to practice with me daily. So here it is the sum of these two numbers is 8. Sum of these two 5 and 2, which will be 7. 5 and 9, 14. 7 and 3, sum will be 10. So 8 and 3, the sum will be 11. So 83 plus 11 will be 94. 94 is our answer. Option B is the answer. Okay. What happened to the people? People left. So many people left. I think this is very easy. 4 times, 2 times, 1 time, half times, and 1/4 time. So 96 into half times, it will be 48. Option A is the answer. Well done, Mr. Sanjay Kumar. First answer. Next question. It is into 2 times, which will be 160 plus 8. 36 2 times, which will be 72 plus 8. 14 2 times, which will be 28 plus 8, which will be 36. 3 2 times, which will be 6. 6 plus 8. So what is the pattern we see is into 2 plus 8. So the next one must be into 2 plus 8. 168 means 16 2 times, which will be 3 20, and 8 2 times 16, 336 plus 8, 344. Option B is our answer. Okay, option B is the right answer. Next one. Now we reach to wrong number series. Here the difference is 3, 4, 6. This is 9. Here the difference is 15. 1, 2, 3. So it must be 4. It is not a 4. So this is our wrong number. Option A, 48 is our answer. Does anyone got the same? Sri, welcome to the channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and please do like the session. Your answer is right answer. Option A is the right one. Okay. Next question. Here the difference between these two is 2. Difference between these two, which will be 6. Difference between these two, 12. Difference between these two, 21. These numbers are familiar to me. 29. These numbers are familiar to me as this is 2 1 times. Alternate numbers multiplication. This is 3 2 times. This is 4 3 times. This will be but these are not following any pattern. So the wrong we see is at 320. It must be, see here, 2 becomes 3, 3 becomes 4, so it must be 5, and it must be 4, so it must be 20. So 299 plus 20, which will be 319. 319, and the next one must be 6 into 5, 30. So 319 plus 30 will be 349. So our wrong number is 320. C is the wrong one. Dhoni, it is not an application. If you are in the starting, the application we used for speed maths is Math Tricks. You can see Math Tricks app in Play Store. I think you just started the streaming, first stream, where we practice the speed maths. These are the questions that I have made for the session. Next question. I don't see the answers for the previous questions. Previous question. What happened to the people? Let's see this question. This is into 2 times 16 plus 1, into 2 times 34 plus 1, into 2 times 370 plus 1, into 2 times 142 plus 1, into 2 times. It is 286. But our answer must be 287. So our wrong number will be 286, option B. Okay. Surla Suvarna, welcome to the channel. Please do like the session. In this video we have totally completed our quant part. So from quant part, what we have completed is simplifications, approximation, quadratic equations, missing number series, and wrong number series. We have solved all these questions in this video. Now we are moving with the reasoning topic. Everyone is ready with this reasoning questions? Shall we move to reasoning? Before that, let's take a small break. I need to have some water. Let's take a small break. Before that, I need to write this as a break. Please teach me that multiplication technique that you have used to. Okay, please sir. Okay, I will give you the questions. While practicing with me every day, you can see improvement in your multiplications. Okay, now we are going to with the reasoning topic. Here, see, these are the reasoning questions. Here is the reasoning first question of syllogisms. Syllogisms first question. Only a few screenshot is a snapshot. Only a few snapshot is a clipping. Conclusions given is a no. So if it is a no, we check sum. Sum SC can share with the C. Some case possible. Some case possible means no case fails. Next one. All snapshot can be clipping. All snapshot. Can we place all snapshot inside clipping? It is not possible. So second conclusion will be false. So both 1 and 2 conclusions both are false. Option E, none of these is our answer. Sanket Dhoni, can we get PDF? I will make the PDF, but it takes some time. In 2 more days I have exam for SBI PO, so little busy with the preparation, so I cannot able to make PDF at present. You will get the PDF. Please do join in my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description. Okay, I don't see any comments. I am also doing multiplication, but I am doing it very slowly. I am impressed with the technique that the way you calculated. Okay, thank you for that. Have you completed this one? I don't see any comments of the people. Please do comment the answer for this one. Does you got the same answer what I got? Option E. We got the answer option E. None of these for this one. Neither one nor two follows. Okay. I don't see any comments. Maybe they all are left. Those people who are commenting. First question, second question. Some snow is ice. Only ice is cream. So cream is inside ice and doesn't share with anything except ice. No ice is tea. Conclusions. Some tea, some part of tea can share with snow. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second one. No snow can be ice. Snow and cream. Here talking about cream. And we see no. So cream doesn't share with anything except ice. So the second conclusion will be true. Both 1 and 2 follows here. Option C is the answer for this question. Only one. Why do you got only one? Maybe you see that can be. It is my typing mistake. The question given is no snow is cream. Cream doesn't share with anything except ice. Okay, then both follows. Okay, next one. Let's see this question. Few languages is not a yellow means some languages is not a yellow. Some yellow is a session. No session is a class. here we see can be, so some yellow can be language, some part of yellow can share with language as it is possible. It says some part of language doesn't share with y, but we can share y here, so it is possible. First conclusion will be true. Second one, we see not, so we check all case. All class can be language or not. All class, can we place all class inside language? It is possible. All case possible means no case, our not case will be fails. So answer for this one will be only one. There is no one people commenting. How it will be either other? Saket Dhoni answered either or. It is not either or, it is option only one. Next question. I don't see any comments. Why? Because there are only few members left here. No, it is 12 people who are watching. The new people who joined the session, please do like the session and try to comment the answer for this question. And also subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Here some 1 are 16, some 71 are 61. Now the conclusion is some 71 are 16. No, first one fails. Here we see not, so we check all 71 can be 16. All 71 can be placed inside 16. It is possible. All case possible means not case fails. So both fails, and we see one positive statement and one negative statement with the same 71 and 16 as suffixes and prefixes. So answer for this one will be either or. Either or, option D is our answer. Ragavarshu Uppu, welcome to the channel. It is right answer. If you are new to my channel, please do like and share and subscribe my channel. Except speaker, nothing is woofer. So speaker, nothing is woofer. So woofer doesn't share with anything except a speaker. Some speaker are Twitter. All earphones are Twitter. So earphones is inside T. Some woofers can be earphones. Woofers doesn't share with anything except speakers. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all speakers being Twitter. All speakers, while taking all speakers and placing inside Twitter, the W also comes sharing with the T, but W doesn't share with anything except S. So the second conclusion is also false. So answer will be neither 1 nor 2 is the answer. What happened to the people? There are no comments I see. So answer will be neither 1 nor 2. Next question. Now we are reached to inequality. The flow from W to Z. From W we have a flow up to Z. So first conclusion will be true. Second one, the flow from V to Y. From V there is no flow to Y. So the second conclusion will be false. First one is true, second one is false. So option A is the answer. Okay. Maybe some people have a problem with the syllogisms. There is no people commenting the answers for the syllogisms. Let's see this one. The flow from L to R with everywhere equals to. From L we can reach to R, it is not possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second one, the flow from R to L. From R we can reach up to Y but cannot able to flow to L. So this conclusion is also false. And we see L and R in the first one. Second one also we see L and R. And we see that L is lesser here and L is greater here and equal to also. So we see the relation of all the three in between these L and R. L is lesser, L is greater, L is equals to R. So we see all the three means answer will be either or. Option C is our answer. Okay, next question. The flow from q to n with everywhere equals to, from q we can able to reach to n with everywhere equal to, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Next one, the flow from r to e, from r we can flow up to n but cannot able to flow up to e. So second conclusion will be false. First conclusion true, second conclusion is false. Option A is the answer. Sri says the right answer. Right answer. Next question, the flow from t to h, from t we can reach to o, from o we can reach to h is possible. B to z with everywhere equals to, from b moving there is no equal to, so it is very clear that second conclusion is false. So only conclusion 1 is true. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer for this question. Only one follows. Next one, from 456 we need to reach 1233. From 456 we reach to 6758. From 6758 we reach to 1233. So there is flow. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from 456 to 1233 with everywhere equals to, here flow we have possible, here it is given that with everywhere equals to. If it is true, then this must be false. So answer for this one will be option A. Only one is true. Okay, option A is the answer for this one. Next question, the flow from A to C, from A we can able to flow to C. First conclusion will be true. Second one, B to D, from B can reach to C, from C we cannot able to flow to D. So second conclusion will be false. So only one is true here. Option A is the answer. Okay, next question, J to C, the flow from J to C is definitely true. From J to C means we can place equal to or this symbol here, and here also we can place equal to or this symbol. So we can place these symbols. So we can place these two or these two. So either both A and B is options. Both A and B. Option E is the answer for this question. We can place either these two symbols or else we can place equal to also. Option E is our answer. Okay, next question, the flow from D to I with everywhere, from D we can reach to R but cannot able to flow to I with everywhere equals to. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from G to M, from G we can reach to M is possible. So second conclusion is true. So only 2 is true here. Option E is the answer for this one. Surender, welcome to the channel. You are late. We have totally discussed simplifications, approximations, quadratic equations, missing number series, wrong number series, and we already completed syllogisms. Now we are end to the inequalities. Okay, you missed all these questions. If possible, watch from starting after the session. Okay, let's see coding and decoding. For artist, we see artist here. Is there any other artist? No. Stage pressure, stage is here, pressure is here. So stage, the code for stage must be EA, and code for pressure is SAA. So we left with QAA, which is the artist. So answer will be QAA, option D. Okay, option D. Union, we need to find the code for union. Here is union, and here also union. Is there any other common word? Version, no. Challenge, we see challenge again. We have challenge in 3 statements. Okay, so we need to check the common codes for union and challenge in 2 and 3. So EAA, no. ZAA, no. RAA and KAA we see. Here RAA we see, which is a challenge. So RAA will be cancelled. We left with KAA. Option E, KAA is our answer. Okay. Next question. For da, where is the code? Here we see the code of DAA. We don't see the other DAA in any other statements. We see already sa, ra, and we see ma. So the environment we don't see in other statements. So answer for this one will be environment, option C. Okay, next question. How much time we have completed? It is near to 2 hours. We will complete it in 10 more minutes. What is version immigration? We see version here, and we don't see version in any other statements. Stage we already see, challenge we already see, union also we see. So the only one word we don't see is ZAA. So ZAA is version. And immigration, there is no immigration in our statements. So ZAA, SAA we see in our statements. So this one must be false. ZAA, GAA, we don't see GAA in our codes. So answer must be this one. Option B is the right answer. Okay, Lalita says right answer. What happened to the remaining people? There are no people watching and no comments I see. Please do comment the answers for these questions. Article becomes this one. ARTICLE becomes BQSJBKF. We need to find the code for the product. Does anyone have the answer? QSTIJBCLKKLEF. Here these are vowels. Next alphabet is we are taking, and for the consonants we are taking the previous alphabet. So vowels, next one is O, P, U, V. This one must be O, P, Q, R, C, D, and this must be B, C, and last one is T, means S and T. So O, Q, C, P, C, V, B, S. Option C is the right answer. Option A. Option A is our answer. Does anyone got the same answer? Option A. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Hopes becomes 86751. We need to find the code for a gleam. GLEAM. Let understand. H place value is 8. E place value is 5. O place value is 15. Sum of these two numbers, which is 6. Okay. P place value is 16. Sum of these two numbers will be 7. S place value is 19. Sum of these two will be 10. 10 means sum of 1 and 0 will be 1. So we need to make the place values. G value is 1, L value is 12. 12 means 1 plus 2, 13. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. E which is 5. So 7, 3, 5. Option D is our answer. Next one. Now we are going to see with blood relations. 3 married couples, 3 males in the family. G is the maternal grandmother. G is the maternal grandmother of A. B is the father of F. And son-in-law of G. Son-in-law of G means this is B. B is the son-in-law of G. And saying that B has a child F. Okay. B is the son of C. D is the spouse of G. A is the only son of E. Only son. So this is female and this is E. So we got this is our blood relation. And it is also says that there are only 3 males in the family. 1, 2 and 3. So this is must be female. Let's see what is the question that is given. B. How is B related to D? So we see from reverse. What is D with respect to B? D with respect to B, which is father-in-law. So answer will be option B, father-in-law. Option B, father-in-law. Okay. Please try to remember this blood relation diagram, because the software I am using doesn't makes that this for the next question. It will be not visible for the next one. So we need to write this diagram of blood relation. Okay. So now we are going to see the next question. How is E related to C? We already have the diagram of this question. With respect to C, what is E? E is a daughter-in-law. Option A is our answer. Next question. Pick the odd one out. So it must be male, talking about male and females. G is female, E is female, D is also here, D is male. So this is the odd one. F is female, C is also female. So option C is our answer, which is a male person. Okay. Now we reach to alphanumeric series. If number, the first and the last digits are interchanged, which of the following will be the third highest number? Talking about first and third highest number. So we have third highest number 2, 2, 9, 8, 1 are the numbers starting. So third number means these two are cancelled. Third must be these two, in between one, which is 270, and this will be 28. So 682 is the third highest number. Option B is our answer. Next question. If in each number the digits are interchanged, then what will be the sum of the first digit of the smallest number? First digits are common in what actually they are. So this is the first number of first smallest number. Okay, so 1, talking about sum, 1 plus last digit highest number. Highest number is this one, and we interchange the numbers. So plus 7, 1 plus 7, which will be 8, is our answer. Option E. Okay, I think there is only Lalita here. No one is commenting your answers. Please try to comment the answer. Let's see this one. If the first and the last letters within the words are interchanged, first and last must be interchanged, and then all the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So what we have is E, T, C, N, X. According to interchanging, we need to place in order C, E, N, T and X is the order. Okay, which of the following is the first word from the right hand? First word from the right hand is X. So the X is this one, box. Box is the answer. శ్రీధర్ సిసిఈ పద్మభూషణ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్ క్లాసెస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? యాక్చువల్లీ I don't went to the English classes in Sridhar CC. I just only went to the mock explanations. So I am not sure about Padma Bhushan English sir. Padma Bhushan sir. I improved my score from the mock tests. I never went to the classes of Sridhar CC. I went only for the explanations and I take only the mock tests. Why? Because I have previously prepared the basic concepts of each and every topic. So I never went to the classes. So I missed the classes of English also. Okay, the next question. If all the words are arranged in reverse order as per English alphabetical order, so reverse order means A here, box here, next one eat here, P and T. Now it says that second word from the left, box. Again we got a box. Option A is our answer. Okay, next question. We are moving with the next question. How many odd digits? Talking about odd digits, let's take 7 is odd number digit, which are immediately preceded by even digit. Preceded means front one must be even number followed by odd digit. So one even number, two odd digits. We need to see one even number and two odd digits. Here is one even number and two odd digits. Here we see one more, 3, 4. So we see 4. So answer will be option A is our answer. Okay. What happened to the people? There are no one commenting the answers. Let's see this one. If all the even digits are arranged in ascending order first, and then all the odd digits are arranged in descending order, then find the product of fifth digit to the left of the sixth digit from the right hand. First we need to write the sequence. Ascending order even numbers. First we are taking 2. How many 2s we have? 1 and 2. Okay. Next one, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fours. Next one, 6. 1, 2. So 2, 6. Next one is 8. 1, 2. So 2 8s. So these are the even numbers. Next, odd numbers in reverse order. 9. 1, 2. Does anyone got the answer? Next, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sevens. Next one, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fives. Next one, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We got a 5s 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. So extra. So we got 3 3s. 42. Let me check. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 2 ones. Now the question asked is fifth digit to the left of the sixth digit from the right hand. Sixth digit from the right hand, fifth. Totally 11th from the right. 3, 3, 9, 10, 11, 7. So we got 7. And third digit to the right of fifth digit from the left. 5 plus 3, 8th. So 3, 3, this is 8. 7 6 times. 42 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next question. So we have completed the concept of this one. Now we left with directions. Let me see where is the directions questions. I think here we have directions questions. Solve this question and comment your answer. I don't have enough space to write this question. So please try to solve this question and comment your answer. I don't have enough space for this one. I'll draw the diagram in rough page of my book. So the first question we see, first option, U and R 10 meters apart. U and R, no, they are not 10 meters apart. Next, P is in northeast direction. V, from V northeast, there is no one in east of V. Option C, the distance between O and U is 25 meters. O and U, no, it is not. The distance between W and P is 16. W and P is 16. Here 5, 5, 15, 15 minus 15. So it is also not our answer. O is the west of U. Pragadeep got option A. Lalita says option D. 15 is right. The distance between W and P is 15. Yes, it is option D is right. So answer for this one is D. Does everyone got this pattern? This is W and this is P. These are in alignment. Does everyone got the same pattern? Let's see the next question. What is the distance between W and O? W and O, the distance is 3 meters. Option C is our answer. Okay. Next question. One more directions question. Ajit walked 20 meters towards east. A left turn. Walked 30 meters. And again he took a left turn and walked for 20 meters. How far is he from his starting point? 30 meters. Option D is the answer. Okay. I think this is the last one. Last question. Okay. By this, today we have completed our questions. So totally we have seen, what are the things we have seen today is we solved simplifications. Totally we seen tough session little bit. No, it is not a very big task. We have discussed the questions, so it takes so much time, but it is a very easy task, easy session. So in today's session what we have seen is, first we do speed maths. Next we see simplifications, approximation questions, quadratic equations, missing number series, wrong number series, syllogisms, inequalities, and coding, decoding, blood relations, and what else we see, browser SBI PO question paper. If you okay, I will try. At present I don't know does I have any question papers or not, so I will see and share if I have. We see blood relations, and next one we see directions also. So these are the topics we have covered for today. It is a very big task we did today. In afternoon session I'm going to bring approximately 15 questions of arithmetic if possible, I'll bring a data interpretation set also. So after the nearly 2 or 2:30 p.m. I will start my session back. Okay, thank you everyone. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and must watch this video from total if you are just started in middle. Okay everyone, thank you and bye bye. Please do like the session if you are not yet like the session. If you not like the session yet, please do like the session. Thanks for watching. So we have completed totally directions, missing number series, wrong number series. Next we see approximation questions and we see quadratic equations. We already solved all these questions. Simplification questions, alphanumeric series, blood relations, coding and decoding. So this is very big task we have completed today. Here we see inequalities, syllogisms. So these are the tasks we have completed. In afternoon session, I'm going to bring approximately 15 arithmetic questions, and if possible I'll bring a data interpretation also, one data interpretation set. Okay, please do come to the afternoon session, and if you are not yet like the session, please do like the session. Thanks for watching. We are leaving. Bye bye.